Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. And so today we are going to do an eyebrow split. First you have to use a brush that has a flat top, and then you're going to use the top part. Just dip in the concealer, and then you place where you want to put your split. That way it's not hard. And first things first, you must have done your eyebrows, or your eyebrows must be groomed. And so you can see our first split, the first line is looking so good. So you can do as much as you want, any style you want. Just dip in your brush, the top part, dip in the concealer, and then you will place on the eyebrows. That way you can see I've done 2 lines there. Yeah, so I'm going to do a next on this other side using a flat soap brush. Yeah, I'm doing an X. You can see it's so easy. You don't have to shave your eyebrows. And then I'm doing another line at the far end on the same eyebrow. Yeah, that's it. You can see how it looks nice. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. We'll meet again in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.